This little video is pieced together from a lot of videos that have been used in my classes for a few years, and it gives you a sort of an overview of the sort of things that you might see. You could see me writing down some information, and now I'm illustrating that information by using a graph, and graphs are pretty common in these videos, so you can see graphically the sort of concepts that are being shown with words. This is another example. This is a demonstration that's being done here. So I'm actually filming something that I'm going to do as a experiment, and the students are directed to take data on this experiment as it's running, and so you can see that I have them stop the video and make this chart, and once that chart is set up we start collecting data, and then we analyze the data. And another thing that's common is if you're going to use something on a graphing calculator or some other piece of technology that you might not be used to, I'll show that too. This is a demonstration based on a real life experience from my own life. So I've got some photos here that I'm using to illustrate a physical concept, and I'll do that once in a while as well. Another way that I can demonstrate something is by taking a video clip off of YouTube or someplace else, and then I'll record over the top of that how something in particular works. This is a Wankel engine as an example of I'm explaining using somebody else's video how the thing works. I'll use some simulations from time to time. This is from an online simulation set called PhET from the University of Colorado, and I'm illustrating here how our mind interprets colors of light mixed. Then there will be a lot of example problems. You can see the little stop button off in the lower right hand side. I'll direct the students to stop, and then as they stop, then they start doing the question, and then they can see that the answer worked out and a place to skip to if they already know how to do it. And then sometimes I'll start out with a picture, and then I'll do a bunch of calculations or explanation of the picture, and then go back to the picture and show the physical interpretation of what I've just calculated. And that's what I'm doing here. Now, obviously, you don't necessarily know what any of the stuff was that I was doing, but it just gives you kind of a visual picture of the sort of things that you can see as you're going to be watching these videos and what to look out for. Pay special attention to the examples. Make sure you're actually working them out.